Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amri Rashid Ramadan from Group 6, which consists of 5 people include me. In my group, I will introduce all my members. The first one is Alfi Shahdianur, Dimas Prakasa, Giovanni, and the last one is Rifki Cahyadi. Topic in this video is about information technology, infrastructure, or IT infrastructure. What is IT infrastructure mean? IT infrastructure is broadly defined as a set of information technology component basic of IT service. Usually component for the example is like software, hardware, and network. And I'm here gonna start with basic infrastructure looks like in typical environment. So the first one, the company, we have users. User is users of service device in information technology system. And the second one, we will talk about desktop application or software. What is a desktop application mean? Desktop application is an application or a software that connected to PC or laptop that can operate without being connected to internet connection. To use it, the user must first install it on the operating system on laptop or PC. And the third is application server. Application server that provides service for each access, request made by each user or client to connect it to the network. And then we have database server. Database server is computer program that provides database management service, and server computer or database application program using client or server models. And then the next is network. What is network on IT infrastructure? Network is an operating system consisting of a number of computer and other network device that work together to achieve the same goal. And then the last one is firewall and security. Firewall is a computer network security system that used to protect computer from virus and several attacks from outside computer. And that's it, my explanation about IT infrastructure. My name is Muhammad Amri Rashid Ramadan, and another speech will continue by Dimas Prakasa.
Okay, thank you. My name is Dimas Prakasa Henjo. Now, I want to explain briefly about IT or information technology, components that are installed or implemented in the company to provide IT service, such of software or hardware and network application. All users are employee or contractor of the company. The user will interact with the software through a desktop or laptop computer. Apart from desktop or laptop computer, regular corporate users will also have several heavy-duty computer which can be called servers, and the servers also run application and software. Some of the software application running on the server can be accessed by the user via the browser, increasing the time web-based application, and some of the software are not accessed to the new ones and serve several other purposes. All types of server or all types of software run on multiple servers in a corporate environment. Database are special software that manage data. All database related activities will occur on the database server. On the database server, tools are known as hardware. In connecting between computer, you can use a data flow pipe called a network. In order for company to interact with the rest of the world via internet, they use firewalls. Maybe that's just an explanation from me. Thank you for your attention. Hope it's useful. Thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you. My name is Giovanni Gaddafi Hidayat. I will explain about information technology architecture. The first one is information technology infrastructure. Information technology infrastructure is a broad set of information technology component that form the basis of IT service, usually physical component, hardware, and network facilities, but also various software and network component. In the computer, have a infrastructure include is first one is software. Software is a special term from data that is digitally formatted and stored, including computer program, their documentation. And the second is hardware. Hardware is all the physical part of a computer. The example is mouse and keyboard. And third, network. The function of network is communicate with each other by exchanging data. And the next is user. User play an important role in operating the computer. And next, desktop application or software. Desktop application is an application or software belonging to desktop. To use it, the user must first install on the operating system on a laptop or computer. And next is database server. Database server is a computer program that provide database management service and serve. And last is firewall and security. A firewall is a security system that protect to your computer from various threats on the internet network. This firewall work as barrier or wall that limit computer from the internet network. Okay, thank you. And next will be continued by Alfi Sadianur.
Okay, thank you. My name is Alvisha Dianor. I will explain my material. The first material is information technology infrastructure. Information technology infrastructure is broadly defined as a set of information technology IT components that are the basic of IT service, usually physical components, computer and hardware and network facilities. Uh, but also various software and network components. In computing, information technology infrastructure consists of physical and virtual resources that support the flow, storage, processing, and analysis of data. For example, collection, co collocation facility or cloud provider. And next, users. Users are users of service or device in information technology system. For example, is email users, internet users, and computer users. And next, desktop application. Desktop application or desktop-based application is an application or software belonging belonging to the desktop, PC, and laptop, which can operate without being connected to an internet connecting. For example, is Microsoft. The next application server. The server application is a computer application with the function of serving user requests for access requests originating from client computers. The server itself is a computer system by providing various types of services that have been determined on a computer network. For example, is web server. And next, server database. Database server is a computer program that provides database management service and serves computer or database application programs using the client or server model. For example, is FoxPro, Visual FoxPro, and Oracle. And next, network. Network is a group of connected computers that can share resources such as printers or modems and data. In simple definition, network can connect every device to be able to connect with each other so that it can send information to the target. For example, is local area networking, wide area networking, and metropolitan area networking. And next, firewall. Firewall is a mechanism to protect computer network security by filtering outgoing and incoming data packets on the network, or giving security looks on computer and network device. For example, entering the server into a special room and looking at. And then that's it's my explanation about IT infrastructure. The next presentation will be continued by Rifki.
Okay, now I want to explain briefly about IT or information technology. First, information technology infrastructure. Information technology infrastructure is widely defined as a set information technology components which is the basis of IT service. Usually physical component or computer and hardware and network facilities, but also various software component and networks. Next, user. User are user of service or devices in information technology system. The example is email user, internet user, and computer user. Next, desktop application or desktop-based application. Desktop application or desktop-based application is an application or software belonging to the desktop, PC, and laptop, which is able to operate without being connected to an internet connection or offline. To use it, the user must first install it on the operating system on a laptop or computer. Next, the application server. The application server is a server used to store various kinds of applications that can be accessed by the client. That server themselves are used to store goods that the client is used directly and the data processed by the application server. Next, database. Database review is a computer program that provides database management service and serving computer or database application program that use server client model. This term also refers to a computer dedicated to running the program concerned. Next, computer network. Computer network are telecommunication networks that allow between computers to communicate with each other by exchanging data. The purpose of computer network is to achieve its objective. Each part of the computer network can request and provide service. Last, firewall. Firewall is a security system that protects your computer from various threats on the internet networks. This firewall works as bulkhead or wall that limit the computer from the internet network. And that is our presentation of Group 6 about IT infrastructure. Thank you for your attention and see ya next time. Bye.